Kablar Mountain is located 13 kilometers as the crow flies from Čačak, 23 kilometers by road, and 155 kilometers from Belgrade by road, exactly 100 kilometers as the crow flies. Kablar is 889 meters high. Together with Ovčar Mountain, 985 meters, it forms the Ovčar-Kablar Gorge, through which the West Morava River flows. Not far from Kablar is the famous tourist resort of Ovčar Banja. Ovčar and Kablar are visible in clear weather from the higher parts of Belgrade. At the top of the mountain, there is a viewpoint overlooking Ovčar Mountain and the city of Čačak. In the Ovčar-Kablar Gorge, and on the Kablar side, on the left, northern bank of the West Morava, there are numerous Orthodox Christian monasteries located at a relatively short distance from each other. The surrounding population calls them all by the common name, Serbian Holy Mountain. There are a total of 9 active monasteries and 2 small churches. The distance between Ovčar and Kablar from Zlatibor by car is 70.3 kilometers. It takes about 1 hour and 20 minutes to drive. And as the crow flies, it is 44 kilometers.